My name is Kevin Fusil. I am the General Manager of LTL Contracting Limited. We are in Thunder Bay, Ontario, and the mine we are working at is North American Palladium Lac des Îles Limited. The main business at LTL Contracting is general civil contractor. We are constructing a tailings management facility. The North American Palladium is producing palladium, iron ore, for the purpose of catalytic converters for emissions, cellular phones, and circuit boards. They drill, blast, and remove the ore to the crusher in order for it to be transported for the milling process. And the overburden is removed and used for waste pads, lay-down areas, ramps, various backfilling processes, road maintenance. The excavators, the larger excavator, the 700 excavators, is used as primarily one of the main loading pieces of equipment in the 1 meter overburden pit, in the waste rock pit, as well as there's the 480s, the 460s are loading, the 380s, and one of the 480s is currently doing till excavation, and that needs to be done in order to widen out the footprint of the dam. We prefer the Volvo excavators because we found that the fuel economy and the strength of the pumps are very dependable for lifting capacities and for digging cycles. The 350 loaders are assisting in the loading process and the sorting of oversize, because the project calls for a certain gradation, and anything over the gradation and needs to be removed and called as rejects. The loaders, again, the Volvo loaders are very dependable. They're strong. The cycle times of the loader is very dependable in the pit, and they're very comfortable. Fuel efficiency is very good for the size of excavators and loaders that we're currently running. The conditions at Lac des Îles mine are very abrasive and on the equipment. We have tried competitors' equipment against the Volvo A40F rock trucks, and we found that the Volvo far exceeds the competitors' equipment. The reason we rely on the Volvo products are due to fuel efficiencies, serviceability, the maintenance of the products, and the comfort levels of the products based on feedback from the operators. LTL Contracting has been in existence for well over 30 years. For the last 15 years, we've come to the conclusion that we rely on the Volvo products due to the dealership Stronco, that we have a good working relationship, the serviceability, the maintenance, the comfort levels of the Volvo products. We find that far exceeds the other brands. So I think for the near future, we will be running all Volvo products, and we will continually to purchase and run the products with our joint venture with our dealers, Stronco.